Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids class name red color, blue color, yellow color, green color, black color, white color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use red color. O N E 1 2 T W 2 3 T H R W 3. Kids again use red color and draw 4 F O U R 4 5 F I V E 5. Kids night 6. The numbers of 6 and use blue color S I X 6 7 S E V E and 7. Kids again use blue color and draw 8 E I G H T 8 9 N I N E 9. Kids again use blue color and draw 10 T E and 10. And again use blue color. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use yellow color. 12. The numbers of 12 and again use yellow color. Kids now draw 13. The numbers of 13 and again use yellow color. Kids now draw 14. The numbers of 14. Kids again use yellow color and draw 15. The numbers of 15. Kids now draw 16. The numbers of 16 and use green color. Kids again use green color and draw 17. The numbers of 17. Kids again use green color and draw 18. The numbers of 18. $19. The numbers of 19. Kids again use green color and last draw 20. The numbers of 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.